Hi friends, welcome back. We are doing a quick lab on DHCP configuration on a router. DHCP actually stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This protocol helps erase the manual assignment of IP addresses. Thus, it reduces the workload for the network administrator. So let's set our topology. Come to the devices here. We're going to pick our router. Let's pick this PT router, drag to our workspace. Also, come and pick a switch. Let's pick this switch. This switch will act as the bridge. Then we are going to pick the end devices that we are going to sign IP addresses. So come to end devices, pick a PC, also pick a laptop, pick another PC, and let's have 4 end devices. We are going to establish connection with these our devices. So pick the cable. Using copper straight through. So connect your router to your switch using the first ethernet 0/0 and on the switch /1 and connect it the switch to the pieces. Also connect this other one to this PC. Connect to that laptop. When you try to connect this one with the last PC, you can see here these ports are not able to be configured. So we are going to add another port on this switch. Come on that switch. Here you see here module. So first of all, power off your switch. Then we are going to add the ports. Drag to that space and also drag to that space. Then power your device back. After you power it back, now take the cable and try to connect. So you can see here we've added 2 ports, that is Ethernet 6/1 and Ethernet 7/1. So let's pick Ethernet 6/1. Okay, now after establishing our topology, let's go to our router, go to CLI. You can see here, will you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Say no, because we want to set our configurations. So use the enable command, config terminal. On the config terminal, after that, we are going to enter the interface that connect to that switch. So interface was Ethernet 0/0. Let's give it IP address of 192.168.20.1 with a mask of 255.255.255.0. Then we are going to bring that interface up, so we tell it no short. After that, let's exit and create a DHCP pool. So IP DHCP pool. Let's give it a name of com. Enter. After that, let's give it the network. So network of 192.168.20.0 with the mask of 255.255.255.0. And we are going to set the gateway. So default router gateway will be 192.168.20.1. You can also set the DNS. So DNS server, let's use 10.1.1.1. Not a must, but also you can set the domain name. So the domain name here, we will use acal.com. Exit. After exit, we are going back to our, you see now here, this link is up because we have do the shutdown. Now let's come to this PC and let's see if you can obtain an IP address. So come to desktop, And you see here it is in static, that is the manual mode. Let's you pick the DHCP, and it is requesting an IP address. So it has successfully obtained an IP address of 192.168.20.2, because .1 here is for the default gateway. So suppose you have your servers, you have many servers, and you want to exclude some IP addresses so that these IP addresses should not be assigned to a host. So we are going to configure this router to be able to exclude some IP addresses that will be used for our servers. So come back to this. After that, to exit now, we are going to use IP DHCP. Here we exclude some IP addresses, that is 192.168.20.1 to 192.168.20.10. So meaning that it should start signing IP addresses after .10. That will, the first IP address that will be assigned to the host will be 192.168.20.11. So enter. Then come back, and now let's restart this our PC. After we restart it, let's see if now it can obtain a new IP address. You see here, its first IP address has become 192.168.20.11, meaning that we set it to exclude IP addresses from .1 to .10. So even these other ones will now obtain IP addresses, uh, except for the ones that we've excluded. So let's pick DHCP. It's requesting an IP address. So we see this one is .12. You are assigned IP addresses according to the time you assign into the network. So DHCP, this one is .13. Then our last PC here, use the desktop, and select DHCP. It's requesting an IP address. And in our next tab, we are going to look at how can you set your DHCP server on a DHCP server itself. So thank you for watching the video. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe for more video. Thank you.